Hey guys, today we're going to change the Serpentine belt tensioner on this 2013 Jeep Patriot with the 2.0 four-cylinder engine. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? It helps out a lot. So first we are going to remove this coolant reservoir bottle here. We're going to take out this 12mm bolt right here, and then we can pull this out and pull this off from the tab, set this reservoir bottle off to the side. Now we can see down in here a lot easier. Our belt tensioner pulley is this one at the end of my finger right here. So we're gonna put a 16mm socket on that bolt right there, and then you're gonna turn it counterclockwise like this, and that'll loosen the belt tension. We can take the belt off. I have this tool right here. I'll have linked down in the description below where you can get this on Amazon along with a new tensioner or tensioner pulley, depending on what you end up replacing here. So that'll be down in the description below. So you can put the ratchet part here down on there, and then you can put this longer bar down on the end of the ratchet so you get a lot more leverage. So you can pull this all the way back. So now you can slip your belt off right here. That, and then you can let the tension back and take your belt off. So I am going to just replace the pulley here because my pulley is actually bad on the tensioner. The tensioner itself is fine, but it's easier to get the tensioner off if you just take this pulley off anyway. So let's do that. So this is a 16mm reverse threads. So you're going to use your ratchet as if you're tightening it, and that will loosen the bolt. So this breaks free pretty easily. If you're using normal tools, your socket and ratchet might get caught here between the frame and the bolt and pinch, and so you might want to use a wrench instead of a socket. So you can see these metal shavings right here, and when I spin this I can also hear the bearings really loose and clattery in there. So I'm just going to put on a new pulley and leave my tensioner on there. Got this Murray idler pulley here that will work. You're gonna have to save your old left-handed bolt though, because the bolt that comes with this is a standard right-hand thread. I will have this linked down in the description below, as well as this cool Serpentine belt tool set here, linked down in the description below where you can get it on Amazon. So here's our pulley that we got here. You're just gonna take this metal piece off from the back. It just spins off. Toss this bolt, we don't need that. Now we're gonna put our old left-handed bolt in there and bolt this pulley back onto our old tensioner down here. When you put your ratchet or wrench on here to tighten this up, this is gonna, when you start tightening it, because it's a reverse threaded bolt, it's going to start pushing the tensioner back here. So I just put the wrench down as far as I could get it down this way, so I could turn it as far as I could and put as much tension on it as I could, and that should be good. It is gonna spin so that it should tighten it up, so it shouldn't rattle loose. Now you can reinstall your belt. I will have a diagram here so that you can see how it's routed in case you forgot how that was. With this circle right here being your tensioner and these two being the small idlers there. At this point you can put your reservoir tank back on and you're finished. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.